When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down and you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball. I used to worry about my options, worry about my options. Yeah, I used to think too much. I think too much, but with you I forget my worries. Behind me they can't touch me now. Yeah, that's how
Sa IKEA tayo. There's another color. Ito, cute rin tong blue. Napaka beachy vibe ng kulay niya. Tingnan niyo, ito yung hinahanap ko talaga. Ito yung agenda ko. Tapos, ang memory foam pillow kasi siya. Tapos, yung isang side niya, meron siyang cooling. Malamig siya. Ang presko ng pakiramdam. So, this is good for like side and back sleeper. Guys, I'm trying to buy this plant. Pero, ang pinifigure out ko is anong pot. Kung white pot or gray. Itong gray kasi, mas fitted siya. Pero itong white kasi, mas gusto ko sana white, but then it's too big. Ayan o. So, I'm having a hard time picking one. Guys, tingnan niyo yung halaman ko. Pinagkasya lang namin. Ayan, dito rin ako sa backseat na upo para babandayan ko siya. Ayan, medyo matangkad siya. So, hopefully, hindi siya ma-deform by the time na makauwi kami. But, yan na yung best. Pero kailangan ko pa siya punasan isa-isa yung mga dahon later pagka-uwi kasi dirty. Kailangan natin siya i-clean. We're gonna be trying Cheesy Tails. Ito yung Korean corn dog place dito sa Winnipeg.
Got nothing else to do, so I go reset the mood. Sipping some jungle juice in my bathing suit. I turn my living room into a Bahama cruise and send some pics to you in my bathing suit. Sound a little insane, but I don't give a fuck. I want a little escape from all of my troubles. Might not be parasailing, but I'm in my paradise. In my polka dot bikini, I can fantasize. Got nothing else to do, so I go reset the mood. Sipping some jungle juice in my bathing suit. I turn my living room into a Bahama cruise and send some pics to you in my bathing suit. La 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 in my bathing suit. Yeah 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 yeah. La 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 in my bathing suit. Yeah 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 yeah. Falling on a budget, baby, but you see I'm making do with my 2-bedroom. I'm on an oven in the tub, and maybe I don't have a swimming pool, but it's cool, cause I can use some sheets full of cabana, and I'm spraying that banana boat to give my skin the natural sunny glow. Use a face for the sangria feeling.